So for the full session, Gaurav, you have all the flight controls. The only thing I have is the engine and the landing gear. And for the takeoff, we need a speed of 130 in that little black box. I've also placed a pink marker on where 130 is. So when the pink marker comes down the screen, as soon as it passes the black box, what I want you to do is take the controls, pull towards your chest, nice and slowly, and that'll bring the nose up. And what you want to do is you want to bring the black dot of the nose up to the 10 line. So that white line indicates 10 degrees above the horizon. You want to hold that until we reach our cruise altitude. Then I'll give you some more instructions. Okay, ready to go? Let's go. So you don't want to get the aircraft to go too steep, so watch out for that. The lights on the tail, lights on the wings, lights on the wheels, all that will come in. Don't want to go too far. Yep. Really watch how you turn the aircraft. Don't want to go too steep, especially now that we're coming close to the runway. So bring the aircraft back to the right now. Right now, what I want you to do, Gaurav, is start descending. So you see that black dot? I want you to put it on that first white line in the brown section. So that's 2.5 degrees nose down. Yep, so no, not there. Yep, that one there, good. Okay. Yep, so good. Just a gentle left-hand turn to line up the runway. Good job. Right, bring the wheels out, 30-degree flat. Watch out for the nose, it really wants to drop.
Up, like black dot, keep going down.
Yeah, bring the black dot a little bit up. Onto that first white line, remember? Always got to be on that first white line.
1,000.
Yeah, bring the aircraft to the right a little bit. And also, now you can take your eyes off the screen and focus on the runway. So you want to aim to fly towards the start of it. Bring the nose up a little bit. Yep. Stay straight for now. Yep. Level the wings, Yeah, bring the nose up. Yeah, a bit more. Yep. Right, hold the nose now. Just hold the nose up. There we go.
30. 20.
Yeah, just keep holding that nose up. Hold the nose up. Hold the nose up. Yep, good. Yep. Now you can let the nose go down slowly.